Sitting in a tree, daydreaming away, dreaming of the things that I'd like to see. Not much the sights or the wonders that be, more like the things that you see every day. Sing a song with a friend or two, sit all day and enjoy the view. Watch the sun finish up its run, spend all night with the one you love. There's a few words I'd like to say, maybe not now but another day. I'll make sure to say 'em soon, I just can't stay now, I have to go. I'm gone and off alone, I'm to ask where do I go? Maybe back on over home, or maybe somewhere I've never known. I might go find an angel to save me, I might just smile, enjoy all the times. I might be alone or be with others, it doesn't matter, it's all the same of good. I don't need the answers to the questions my life has already asked. I just need to know that they're worth living for, and they're all for the best. So now I'm back to sitting in the trees, daydreaming away, and feeding the little birds to hear 'em sing all day, and to watch the day turn to night, and night back into day.